So go to Home tab, Annotation panel, and this is Text tool. To select, left click. For now we are using the standard text style, so specify your first corner, left click. Specify your opposite corner, left click. Give it a name, bedroom, enter. 9.5 feet into 11 feet 4 inches. To close text editor, in the text editor window, click on close text editor, left click. As we can see that the standard text style is not visible, so that is why we will create our own text style. So go to Annotated tab, left click, and here in text panel, click on this small arrow, left click. Click on Manage Text Styles, left click. Since we are going to create a new one, then click on New. Give it a name, Room Text RP. Click OK. Now give it a height of 5 inches. Click on Apply. Click on Close. Now the active text style is Room Text RP. So go to Home tab. Click on Text. Specify your first corner, left click. Specify your second corner or opposite corner, left click. Bedroom, enter. 9.5 feet into 11 feet 4 inches. So to close text editor, click on close text editor, left click. As we can see, it is visible, not like the standard one. Now double click on the text to bring text editing tool. So double click. So this is our text editing tool. Let's select this and we will justify it to center. Click on center. Here we have the text height. Here the font. If you want to change, you can change it. Left click. You have too many types. You can select whatever you want. And here the color, which is bilayer color. For now, we will just click on close text editor. Left click.